First of all, I would like to say I had full faith in the judiciary of our country. Secondly, I have been acquitted of all the allegations made against me by the Honorable District Court. It's been a long wait. It's been 10 years. How each day I have suffered, I know.
The Mercedes Special Court has acquitted Panjim BJP MLA Babush Monserrate in 2016 rape case. The court has also acquitted the co-accused Rosario alias Rosie Feroz in this case. The court in the detailed order has observed that there are several inconsistencies in the statement of the victim girl herself. The court has observed that the victim provided multiple conflicting versions of the event. In her cross-examination, she admitted that her previous statements to the police and the magistrate were a figment of imagination and that nothing untoward had happened at the farmhouse of Babush Monserrate. She claimed that she made the allegations out of frustration while staying in the Apna Ghar protective home. The court has also observed that prosecution has failed to prove the correct age of the victim. The court has further observed this case was originally registered under POCSO Act, but during the trial, prosecution failed to prove that the victim's age was below 18 years. Contrary to the prosecution's claim, the forensic and medical reports confirm that the victim can be aged between 18 to 19 years. The court has also observed that there were discrepancies in the digital evidences. In the judgment, while acquitting Babush Monserrate and Rosie Feroz, the court has observed that many key witnesses, including Pancha witness, turned hostile, due to which prosecution has failed to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.